What we're going to do here is look at a PowerPoint and create it into a collage a different way. I'm going to click on Insert, Shapes, and I'm going to use this oval and put it right about here. Maybe a little bit more to the left. And I'm going to right click on it and click on the down arrow, the pail, and go to Picture, and I'm going to choose a picture here of the Civil War. Now what I would like to do also is right click again, Format Picture, and I'm going to make it 3D, as you can see. I'm going to just estimate here. I'm going to say 50 by, let's go 100. And you see it automatically goes up. You can make it anything you want. Let's click another, let's put another picture here. I'm going to click on this time just Picture, and I'm going to choose the Marines and hit Insert. And let's move it over here. Make this a little bit larger. And you'll notice there are some icons that appear up here. What we're going to do is make this a photograph, and we have a frame, and I'm going to make that frame red. And you'll notice it's in front. What we can do is click on the picture and send it to the back. Okay, let's do another picture. Let's click on Insert, Picture, but this time let's take this one right here. This will be the Vietnam War, and move it right about here. And this time click on our down arrow, and we'll click on just a regular frame, but let's make this frame a little bit different. Let's make it a blue. Okay, and you'll notice it's on top here. Again, click on your down arrow and send it to the back. Alright, let's do one more because you have the right idea here. Insert, Shapes. This time I'm going to take this oval shape and put it right about here. And what I want to do here is make a picture in there, or fill with a picture. Click on the down arrow of the pail, Picture, and I'm going to choose We the People. Place that in there. And again, I would like to right click on it, click on Format, and I want to make this three-dimensional, 3D, and this time I'm going to make this 50 by 20, and click on Close. Right? And again, you'll notice it's on top, so you want to click on it, and what we'll do here is change it, click on it, change it, and move it to the back. Now your background, I'm going to right click and click on Format Background because we want to give it a different format. And let's go to Picture or Texture. I'm going to down arrow. Well, it's already got one here for us, doesn't it? But just simply click on your down arrow and you get to pick one up. Let's click on this one right here, Wood, and click on OK. So that's briefly an explanation of how you can do all this, and it's simply by using your imagination. When we're all done, you want to make this a JPEG. But first of all, I'm going to click on the word File, Save As, and we want to call this something else. I'm going to call it PowerPoint US Wars, and hit Save. Now the reason you want to save your PowerPoint is in case you make a mistake, you can always go back to it. When you've done that, simply click on File, Save As, and click on your down arrow here. And what we're going to do is scroll down, as you can see, and click on JPEG, and we're going to save this as a JPEG or a photograph, and hit Save. And use Current Slide Only. And now it is a photograph.